Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on claiming your daily cipher. So here we are going to go ahead to get our cipher word. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you very much. So the word for the day is KYC. Now to get our K, we are going to long tap, short tap, and then long tap to get our K. To get our Y, we are going to hold, tap, hold. That's long press, short tap, long press. Now to get our C, we are going to long press, short tap, long press, short tap. And here we go. KYC has been gotten. We will take our price as usual. And then once you've done that, don't forget to, it says good job CEO. And then don't forget, in case you missed the daily combo for today, these are the cards that were available, which was the Hamster YouTube channel, the YouTube gold button, and the sports integration, which signifies the integration of Hamster Kombat token on wallet and exchange platform. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join our Telegram community. Thank you.